Hey everyone, welcome back to CheezzMakeup channel. So today I'm going to do a talk video. I am going to talk about or outpour my emotions regarding the new Lakme collab with Kareena Kapoor. They have launched a new set of products and collabing with my favorite artist Kareena Kapoor, and also a lot of people's favorite. A lot of people were excited when this collection came out. When I went through the collection in Nykaa website and the Lakme website, I was very much disappointed because again Lakme proved that we are not for the dusky, at least for the tan, dusky and dark skin tones. They proved it again that we are not a collection for them. Our products cannot be used by them, which is really not fair. And when a celebrity like Kareena is collabing, I don't know why there was no advice passed on to Lakme regarding these three skin tones. I know India is really different. It is very diverse. Each state has its own food, culture, religion, language, all that stuff. But every part or every state in India has every kind of skin tone. And this basic understanding of India, I don't know why Lakme does not have it. They've been not having it from a long time. Even when they collabed with makeup artists, they did not have this understanding. Basically, they should have had an R&D team. They don't have an understanding. And now they collab with Kareena Kapoor, the big artist who knows a lot of celebrities from different skin colors. She also does not have it, and I don't know what's happening. Why is Lakme? It's very clear that Lakme is deliberately doing it, and I just don't know why. I just want to know, why do you not want to include every skin color? Because India is very diverse in everything. So even in skin color, you can see a very light person, a very dark person, and everyone wants to enjoy makeup. And why not your products reach everyone? Why are you so biased about darker skin colors? In their website, if you go and see, their contour sticks are so light that you have to be very fair to use it. So that's another disappointing product. And another thing is their lipsticks, which were swatched only on fair skin tones. They were not swatched on tan, dusky or dark skin tones. So that is also very disappointing. Like, why are you doing such a big discrimination in your own country? Lakme is an Indian brand and you're doing it to your own country, which is so disappointing. It really makes me angry because I want to try Lakme products. My subscribers ask me to review Lakme products, and I'm not able to do that because none of it matches my skin tone. And I've not used a Lakme foundation or a concealer on my face because it does not match my skin tone. And I'm a tan girl, and think about dusky and dark skin tones. And why is this? Why is it happening for years and years? And I cannot believe it that Lakme cannot understand. On one thing, they cannot understand. On another thing, they just don't want their products to be used by darker skin tones, which is basically discrimination. So I just don't know what is the reason, and Lakme has to speak up because this has been asked by your customers, your Indian customers who want to use your product, and you shut your eye and your eyes for that, ears for that. Who are you giving your products to? Just to fair people? I'm very disappointed at this collection. I will be just reviewing the mascara, just this, but I didn't want to buy any other products because I was just so disappointed, and I'll just be reviewing this. I just don't know why an Indian company has to keep repeating this on and on and on. For me, Lakme is a top company in India compared to other companies which are doing the same thing. It's not that only Lakme is doing it, but still other companies are also doing it, but Lakme is the top. It's the biggest one here, and they're just going on and on with collections, not like the other brands who are not coming out with collections like Lakme. So you guys are updating your collections on and on, but still there's no update on skin color. That's my problem. It's everyone's problem and concern and anger and everything. Stop discrimination. Makeup, it's makeup. Let everyone wear and enjoy it. I hope this reaches you and you try to put at least 2-3 colors. It's not going to be a big deal for a bigger company. So yeah guys, I just wanted to pour out these emotions, and anyways, so yeah, my next video will be this review. So that's it for me this time. There's nothing much happy to talk about, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, everyone.